Good afternoon, it's James here again, bringing to you a video from Your Next Car UK. So let's have a walk around the outside of this BMW 420 diesel coupe. So as you can see, it does benefit from having the beautiful Your Next Car Performance Pack fitted to it, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the bespoke performance BMW. So, as you can see, it also does benefit from having the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps fitted to this particular 4 Series. Moving around to the side, we have the 18-inch M Sport alloys finished off in a lovely mineral grey. All round this vehicle does also have Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, which are all in great condition as well. It has the gloss black air ducts as well. Down the side it has the gloss black vinyls, sidebars and the M Performance decals as well. Inside it has my favourite colour combination on the 4 Series coupes. It's the stunning red Dakota leather with the white body. Of course, we have the stunning Grand Piano black trim on the dash, door cards and the brush with the brushed aluminium inserts as well. Moving around to the back, we of course have the lovely rear performance boot spoiler and diffuser. If you've not seen, or if you've just got into the market for the 4 Series coupe, this will give you just an insight of how big the boot is on these vehicles. Despite being a coupe, there is more than enough room in there. Also, the seats do fold as well, which I'll show you in just a moment. This vehicle has just gone onto our website, where you can view up to 40 images of this car. Okay, so if I jump on inside now, guys, and I'll talk you through some of the options and spec inside the vehicle. So first off, we'll show you in the back. Again, a little bit hard to do with the lighting. However, more than enough space, and I'll show you the split folding seats in action. So there you have it. If you do require that little bit more room, there it is. So let's start the car up and show you some of these options. So we have BMW's professional nav and media package. So there's the satellite navigation. We also have Bluetooth communications and media. We also have DAB radio. We have a wide range of multimedia inputs, including that music collection which I spoke about a few times on the channel. What music collection enables you to do is basically store and rip music directly from your media inputs, i.e. USB sticks or CDs, and store them onto the car's hard drive, as opposed to having to store them in the car, i.e. you don't want to have CDs floating around a car like this, as it does get quite annoying if they are filling up your glove box. So you can just store them into the car and then take them and put them back in your home or wherever you'd like. So we do have cruise control with voice activation, voice recognition as well. We also have the speed limiter. Usual refinements that you'd find on a car of this age is the automatic lights and automatic wipers. You can see on the odometer it has only covered 28,000 miles, so really low mileage for a car of this type. It does also have full BMW service history. As I'll now show you, all the service history is now done via the iDrive. There is no more service books anymore on BMW's current range. So there you go, two BMW stamps. Long life service intervals on the new BMW Rangers, so it's every 20,000 miles. A really clean, stunning inside and out. Okay guys, that's about finished for the video. If you do require any further information on this vehicle or any of our other current stock, or you would like to inquire about our fantastic finance options we do have here at Your Next Car, please do feel free to give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can give us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. Okay guys, that's going to be it from me here. Have a great afternoon. Thank you and goodbye.